This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Genfour Eye Drops are effective for treating bacterial eye infections. This medication helps alleviate discomfort and redness associated with these infections. Indications and uses. These eye drops are primarily indicated for the management of bacterial conjunctivitis and various other bacterial eye infections. Symptoms of these infections can include pain, irritation, and excessive tearing. It is essential to consult a healthcare provider to ensure proper diagnosis and treatment. How it works. The eye drops function by inhibiting the bacterial enzymes DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4, crucial for bacterial DNA replication and transcription, leading to cell death. Directions for use. For optimal results, use the eye drops exactly as directed by your physician. Wash your hands thoroughly before application. Pull down the lower eyelid gently and instill 1 or 2 drops into the eye. After applying, close your eyelid and press the inner corner for 2 to 3 minutes to prevent drainage. Repeat for the other eye if necessary. Adhere to the prescribed dosage based on your age and the severity of the condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include eye pain or irritation. More serious effects, though rare, can include blurred vision, corneal disorders, and allergic reactions. Precautions and warnings. It is crucial to consult a doctor before using this medication, especially for pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of allergies to Moxifloxacin, and those over 65. Avoid driving or operating heavy machinery if blurred vision occurs. FAQs. 1. What are these eye drops used for? They are used to manage bacterial eye infections. 2. How do they work? They inhibit bacterial growth by targeting essential enzymes. 3. Can I wear contact lenses during treatment? It is advised to avoid contact lenses until the infection clears. 4. How long will it take to see results? Improvement may be noticed within 2 to 3 days, but consult a doctor if symptoms persist beyond 7 days. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us.